Hello guys, welcome back to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on support vector machine such as introduction to support vector machine, the next video was support vector machine with first dataset. Today's video is really interesting. It is all about face recognition using support vector machine. We have seen face recognition using VG face 22, then we have seen face recognition using CV2 library. We have seen face recognition using FAIR library. We have seen face recognition using DeepFace library and many more videos on machine learning using Python. So let us go through our today's program in detail. First part, importing required libraries needed for the program. Next part, how to read images into. Next part is all about locate the cascade file and dataset to particular path. The next part is all about how to read images into classifier. Then this part, plotting images side by side using matplotlib. The next part, is all about encode target labels with value, and another part is all about plotting images side by side using matplotlib, same part. So I will execute the program now. Yes, dataset is loading. We will see images of different celebrities of Hollywood movies. Yes, we have seen the images and with names. Yes, here are the names. Tom Cruise, the most famous actor of Hollywood movies. Rihanna, Jimmy also is there. Now another part. Yes, I have successfully done with face recognition using support vector machine. I will be back with more videos on machine learning using Python, cyber security, C and C++, AngularJS, React.js. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.